Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you a review of this Austin Racing exhaust. Probably a knockoff. I got it from eBay, so yeah, but I love the way it looks. And you got to hear, there it is, Austin. Sounds great. Wait till you hear it. It's the perfect exhaust for this tracer. I believe the absolute perfect sound. It's loud, but it's grunty. I'm going to turn it on in just 1 minute. Let me. By the way, this is not a cold start. I had to bring it here in order to do this filming. And here we go. There it is. Listen up. Oh yeah. Oh man. When you're doing highway speeds and you gun this thing, it sounds great. Absolutely great. A little bit on the loud side, but I'm not one to do too many long trips. So this works out great. It's pretty simple to install. It's just very uncomfortable, as you know, to get your fingers up there looking for those bolts. And let's try it one more time. Oh yeah, sounds great. If you're interested in having your tracer stand out and sound the way they should, in my opinion, this is the exhaust you want. Austin Racing. You can find it on eBay. And not only that, it takes out a lot of weight compared to the huge bomb shelter that it comes with. Hey, hope you've enjoyed this video. Right on.